to start now.
Yes, sir. Well, if you could just wait 1 minute, as my children were,
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, at this time we are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines, and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah.
the B says, the C says,
And the D says D.
the E says, eh, and the F says,
The G says G.
And the H says,
the I says, eh,
and the J says, J.
the K says, and the L says, oh, 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 oh. The M says, and the N says, The O says,
And the P says,
The Q says Qua.
and the R says, the S says, and the T says,
the U says, and the V says, boo.
the W says, what, and the X says, the Y says, yeah,
And the Z says, and those are all the letters in the factory. You do know all your letters, Tad. Hey, I thought you lost your voice. Oh yeah, I just found it.
If you practice, it's not hard to learn your alphabet. Every letter makes a sound. Every letter makes a sound.
What you hear is what you get. Oh yeah.
Consider me sold. My next book will be the Websley Talking ABC book. I need all of your letters and all of their sounds.
Outstanding! Thanks, everybody.